I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Mycelium is the vegetative network of fungal hyphae that spreads through a substrate, transporting nutrients and communicating chemically with other organisms. Think of it as the fungus's root and nervous system combined. It forms a web-like structure that breaks down organic matter and supports the later development of fruiting bodies, the mushrooms you recognize. To learn about mycelium, study fungal life cycles, ecological roles, and symbioses such as mycorrhizal partnerships with plants, focusing on observation, microscopy, and published mycology literature rather than hands-on propagation. Before considering any cultivation, review local regulations and species restrictions because laws and safety guidelines vary by jurisdiction. Some fungi are regulated or carry health risks. Prefer community biology labs, accredited classrooms, or supervised workshops to gain training and oversight, proper waste handling, and access to shared equipment. Ethically consider potential ecological impacts and contamination risks, and avoid releasing cultures into the wild. Prioritize proper identification, medical awareness of allergens, and professional guidance instead of experimental, unsupervised attempts at propagation. If your goal is to learn about mycelium, pursue safe, non-actionable alternatives. Enroll in accredited courses that teach concepts like contamination control conceptually, or attend guided workshops in community labs where supervision and protocols exist. Use microscopy and published studies to observe images and time-lapse records of growth rather than initiating cultures yourself. Join mycology clubs or citizen science projects to access mentorship, shared resources, and supervised practice. These paths build competence while minimizing legal, ethical, and biosafety risks associated with unsupervised cultivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.